Hey everybody, welcome to Jim Bob's Smoothies. So today what we're going to do is we're going to make a smoothie. Now this smoothie is originally kind of loosely based on the Dr. Phil recipe in his book. I forget exactly the name of the book. But it's pretty much been morphed into our own smoothie. So what we're going to do is we're going to take first off some yogurt. I like to use the Greek yogurt, and we're going to use about 1/3 of the tub. Now, exact measurements, I don't know. About 1/3 of the tub. Alright, so that way I can make about 3 sets of smoothies out of 1 tub of Greek yogurt. I like to use my little spatula because I can scoop it out and then put it back in the fridge easily. Alright, so now the next thing that I do is I use a little bit of protein powder. I'll put a little protein powder in there, about a scoop. They usually come with a scooper. So I'll put about a scoop in there, toss that in. Alright. And any whey protein will work. You can get the vanilla, you can even get chocolate if you like. And then what I do is I put in some fruit. Now, all of the fruit comes from my garden. I like to do it frozen because if it's frozen, then it cools the smoothie down. Alright, and then we usually use these small bags, at least for some of them, which works out nicely because I usually put about a small bag of one type of fruit. This one's going to be a strawberry and mulberry smoothie. I went out earlier and picked some mulberries, and this is about how many I got. Good little batch of mulberries, so we're going to toss them in as well. Make sure you rinse them, wash them down, and then I'm going to add about a cup of water, plus or minus a little bit. None of the amounts here are set in stone. It's kind of a, toss it in and hope for the best kind of thing. Big thing is make sure you get some fruit in there and a little bit of yogurt, and everything else is kind of optional. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. It's going to get loud, so please enjoy the music. That looks good. So then what I do is take my spatula, kind of scrape down the sides, get all the goodies off, whatever I can. Oftentimes you'll find that either the protein powder or the yogurt doesn't get mixed in as easily. Alright, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of oats. Oats are good for you because of the anti-cholesterol properties. So about that many oats. And then I'm going to get a handful of ice. I always do the ice last because if you don't do the ice last, it doesn't stir in as well. I like to get the fruit mixed in with the yogurt real good. That way everything's nice and smooth first, and then you add the ice. Well, maybe a little more. There we go. Alright, let me put the lid back on. Don't forget to put the lid back on, or you will make a mess. Alright, once again, enjoy the music while I go ahead and grind this up. do it this way, without actually measuring things, every smoothie is a new experience. What you can put in it, I mean, we have done apples, we have done bananas, we have done loquats, strawberry, blueberry, I mean, pretty much any fruit that you want to stick into. Make sure you wash it, take all the seeds out, you don't want to eat the seeds. Alright, and then, you know, mix it in there. Every smoothie is a new experience, like I said, because you never really know what you got until you get it done. So let me get a couple of cups. Let's see what we have. Oh yeah, look at that. It's kind of nice. Gives you something, a little something to get the morning started. Got lots of good vitamins and minerals from the fruit. All the fruit comes from my backyard, so I know where it comes from. I don't have to worry about pesticides and none of that. And it'll make anywhere from 3 to 4 of these cups, depending on how much stuff you put in and so on. You can see I've used just about half of it. And then what I'll do is I'll put this in the fridge and we'll have it again tomorrow. Alright, let's give it a taste test. That's really good. Alright, so it's a good, healthy smoothie. Something you can start your morning with. Doesn't take too long to prepare. We didn't have the frozen mulberries, but normally I like to use the frozen fruit because it adds that coldness. And you don't have to use as much ice. You can get them fresh off the tree like I did today, however you want to go about doing it. Or you can buy fruit at the store and bring that in. But either way, give it a shot, man. Smoothies are a really healthy, good way to start your day. Alright, so thanks once again for stopping by. Let me know what you think. Give it a shot. You know, tell me how you make your smoothies and how it's turned out for you. Alright, so thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you think. And above all else, grow something so you can make smoothies with it.